In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily and quickly print something from Canva. So here we have an example press release here. I have chosen a document that is an A4 size, which means that it's going to be easy to print on a normal piece of paper. In order to find a document that is easily in that format, go ahead and go over to templates and just search for A4. Once you have the document ready to print, you'll see in the upper right-hand corner the button that says print with Canva. That's not what we want to do. We want to go up to the share button, go to share, and then we want to go to download. Make sure that the file type is going to be PDF print, which is going to be best for printing. And then if you want to, you can flatten it, include notes. I wouldn't do any of that. I would just select PDF print, leave everything the same, and then download that to your computer. Whether you're using a Mac or PC, it doesn't matter. Find where that file has been downloaded on your computer in a PDF format, and then just open up that file. Once you've opened the file, as you've seen that I've done here in my browser, I go to the print icon in the upper right-hand corner to print. Once you're here under destination, select the drop-down menu, find your printer of choice, and then go ahead and go to save or print in the lower right-hand corner, and you are good to go. That's the easiest way to print documents from Canva, from the share button, download in PDF print format, and you're good to go. I'll have some frequently asked questions in the pinned comment down below. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.